Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have essentials: Git installed and a GitHub account. Now you act. In your project folder, run Git init to create a local repo, then stage files with git add, and make an initial commit with a clear message. Once done, create the remote repo on GitHub and add it locally with git remote add origin repo URL. Make sure to push the initial commit with git push origin main so remote and local link for future work. Now you organize changes with branches. Create one with git checkout bfeature/name and commit small, focused changes often so history stays clear. Before pushing, run git pull rebase to incorporate remote updates, then git push origin feature/name. If you prefer SSH over HTTPS, set up a key and switch the remote URL. This prevents repeated password prompts. Once a branch is reviewed and clean, merge into main locally or via a pull request. Make sure to add a git ignore so temporary files never get tracked. Complete the cycle by merging your feature into main, either locally or through a pull request, and push with git push origin main so collaborators see the update. Tag stable points for releases using git tag and push tags with git push tags. This helps rollback and release notes. Once done, clone the repo on other machines to validate the workflow. If something goes wrong, like push rejected, check that your remote URL and branch permissions are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.